Hi guys, introduce me Fauzan. Here I will make a vlog about cooking noodles. Previously, we freeze both the noodles to the near soft hair. After getting the noodles, Veggie cooks the noodles with hot water. Before cooking the noodle, we prepare a bowl to boil the noodle. Turn on the stove and the food puts water into the food to test. Unwrap the noodle in and put them in a bowl and spread the seasoning with the noodle. Wait for the noodle for 5 minutes. After the noodles are cooked, pour the noodle into the dishes where half prepared in advance. Open the marinade and pour it into the noodles. Stain the noodles to make them evenly distributed with the seasoning. Finish the noodles are ready to eat.